Hello, my wonderful friends. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I am just hanging out at home, and I thought I'd drop you a little video today. So, as I mentioned before in my last video, I am part of a ministry called the International House of Prayer, which is 24/7 prayer and worship. And one of the things that I get to do on a daily basis is I'm a singer, and I love to sing. I've been singing since I was probably like 10 years old. I started because my older sister was part of choir in her middle school, and I would go to recitals and I would see just how much fun it was and how cool it was. So I decided, hey, I kind of want to go and do this as well. So I signed up for the same exact classes that she had and had the same exact teacher. So it was cool because we had that connection with the teacher, because the teacher knew my sister and the teacher knew that my sister was my sister. So it was a lot of fun and I had a blast. But I didn't continue on to high school or didn't do any of that. I grew up when R&B was really popular, and so what I would do is I would listen to a lot of the radio and I would try to emulate what was on the radio. All the songs, Usher, 112, Genuine, all these people. I would try to emulate exactly what they were doing. I would try to emulate the way that they were sounding. Through that, it's kind of shaped my style, as you can say, into what it is today, which is mostly like R&B. It's about 12 hours a week that I sing, 2 hours a day. So basically, it's broken down. We have 6 sets a week, and each set is a 2-hour set. So that is 12 hours of singing throughout the week. Because of that, I wanted to have my own equipment, and so one of those being my in-ears so I can listen to the mix. And also another one of the big things is having my own microphone, because it is a 24/7 bass. There's a lot of singers that kind of cycle through on a daily basis, and although we do have house mics and everything like that, you can imagine how many lips are touching those things on a daily basis. And so I decided a while back, hey, I wanted to get my own mic, and so I did. I ended up purchasing the Newman 105. That's not wanting to focus on it. But anyway, as you guys can see, let me see if I can do this actually. Bam, there it is. The Newman 105. It's a pretty dope mic. I love it because it is, for the type of style that I sing, it's more lower, more smoother. And so because of that, it brings out my low tones a lot, and you're able to actually hear me, as opposed to maybe singing with like a Shure 57, a Beta 57A or something like that. So I really love this mic. It's not a cheap mic, and so that's kind of why I wanted to invest in an awesome mic like this for myself, because it's part of my tools, it's part of what I use on a daily basis. And also, as you can see, it's black, and all the other Neumanns that I've seen are either black or they're gray, or one of my friends actually has a white one, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I really love his mic a lot. But because I am a person who loves to rap, if you don't know, I've rapped actually my own car in vinyl, and so today I wanted to bring you a video of me rapping my microphone in, drumroll please, purple. Yeah, metallic purple. I just love this color. I think it's really cool. It's kind of a flat metallic, which is really dope. And I just wanted to wrap my mic and kind of stand out. Before I had my mic wrapped in like a red carbon fiber, and I had that for probably about a year, and I just thought, maybe it's time to switch it up. And so that's what I'm doing today. We're gonna go ahead and wrap my mic, I know I'm in 105, in this metallic matte purple, and for your pleasure, I will do so. So let's get to it. All right guys, so as you can see, here's my workspace. I got my microphone here, I got my wrap here, I got my knife. I also have my knifeless tape here by 3M. This stuff's pretty dope if you are having to make straight line cuts. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And just in case I need it, I do have a squeegee here, and I also have a heat gun down here. So let's go ahead and get started on this bad boy. So we're obviously not gonna have a lot of it. We're not gonna be using a lot of it. So as you can see, that's probably good right there. Make sure it wraps around And you always just want to cut a little bit more than what you actually need, just in case you need some slack or something like that. You will have some extra material to play with. Alrighty. Should be able to cover the whole thing. Awesome. Should probably just even use half of this. Let's go ahead and fold it in half. Awesome, that's gonna be perfect for what we need. So obviously this is cylindrical, it's not straight round, so it's gonna be a little tricky with the vinyl, but we'll get it to work. Go ahead and grab my gun here. Alrighty, so as you can see, I went ahead and wrapped the vinyl all around it, and I went and added some 3M knifeless tape here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess around here, around there, and down here as well. And then I'm going to use the knifeless tape to cut a straight line right across. Let's do it. Alright, not the prettiest job, but we went ahead and cut off the ends there. And now we're going to use the knifeless tape here to just cut a straight line right across, as you can see. And it made a nice seamless line there with the knifeless tape, as you can see. Turned out pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the excess around here and down here. Alright, nice and seamless all around here. As you can see, let's go ahead and do the bottom now. Alright, and same thing with the bottom there. Nice and seamless. Looks great. Alright, so now that we got this mic done, now we got to go ahead and do the cone as well. So we're going to cover this part, all of this. We can't necessarily cover the cage aspect of it, just obviously because then your voice won't actually go through the cone. So we're just gonna cover, like I said, just this part right here and this, and we should be good. And there we go. The Newman 105. Now in purple. Pretty tight. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for other fun videos that are coming your way. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video on wrapping my Newman 105. See you on the next one. Bye.